Mainit ang tiyan, tignan mo. Ano mo. Taas mo yung dito mo, anak. Mainit-init ka na eh. Pag hindi talaga, ayan o, may sinat na eh. Ayan o, mayroon.
Then what about his throat? His feeling is like some kind of itchiness. What could that be?
Wala, we have to go to the doctor in case. Pero ngayon,
yeah, I can do that. I can
just
handle.
tempra for preventive. Kasi bukas yan, sure yan. Kailangan lang makalabas na makabili.
Do you need to check anything else?
Yun lang yung, yung temperature lang po para.
What's his temperature now? 30 something, 20?
Wala pa naman yan. Matagal din thermometer niya. Hindi pa rin eh.
Ali, balikan ko na lang kay ma'am. Ask ko na lang po muna.
Kung paano gagawin.
Ayos po.